Hey, it's Pasi here. Today I'm going to show you how to create a dashboard project which visualizes audio waveform data. I'll create a new project. I'll go to data sources and browse a file. I have one file on my hard drive. This is a stereo CSV file, X left and right. So X represents the timestamps and these are the actual data values. Add file. Waiting a couple of seconds. And when the data is imported, it appears here. And it shows that this has 500,000 data rows, so 1.5 million data points overall. And I'll just pick a suitable chart, and a line chart is my favorite for bipolar signal data. And the data adding to the chart is very easy. Just use drag and drop. X goes here and left goes here. Okay, we have left channel configured. And let's do the same thing for the right channel, like so. Okay, it was simple as that. I'm gonna rename it as waveform chart, and yeah, and this data is with full resolution here. No single data point is left out, and it is super fast to browse left and right. But there's one problem, like how to get overall picture of where the whole shape of the signal is, and where are we actually related to the whole timeline. So there's a solution for that, zoom band chart. Zoom band chart can be activated here, like so. And when adding that, it really helps depicting the whole timeline where the data is being viewed. Okay, so that concludes the demo session today. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Bye.